And this question it is given that an iron metal rod is to maintain an accuracy of 1 part per million. So just identify what do you mean by 1 part per million. That means there is a change in length of 1 out of 10 raised to 6. 1 million means 10 raised to 6. So we can write delta L is equal to 1 divided by 10 raised to 6. That means if you are having an object of length 1 meter, so the possible change in length on that can be equal to 1 divided by 10 raised to 6. The coefficient of linear expansion, the value of alpha, is given as 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to minus 5. The minimum variation in temperature of rod could be Rm is to find out the value of delta T. So we can use that equation, that is change in length is equal to nothing but initial length into alpha into delta T. From that we can find out the value of delta T, that is equal to delta L divided by L naught alpha. So the value of delta L can be written as nothing but 10 raised to minus 6 divided by L, which we can take it as nothing but we just consider as nothing but 1. That's why we wrote it as delta L is 1 divided by 10 raised to 6 into alpha. Alpha it is given in question as nothing but 10 raised to minus 5. So we can try it, we'll get the answer as nothing but 10 raised to minus 1, that means which is 1 divided by 10, or we can write as 0.1. So the change in temperature can be 0.1 degree Celsius, that means it can be increase in temperature, that's why they are writing plus 0.15, or a decrease in temperature, that's why we are writing minus 0.1 degree Celsius. So it can be plus or minus 0.1 degree Celsius.